Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. Today I have new die cut sheets for you. So let's get started. So first I would like to say thank you to all my followers for your patience. I have returned from my wonderful vacation. It was an extended vacation. I was gone all month of May. Fantastic time I had in Germany. And yes, I met with a couple of my suppliers, took in some orders, so they should be coming in over the next weeks. There will be really great new easy 3D toppers. Absolutely beautiful. You will love them. So I'll let you know when they're here. But for today, I have new die cut sheets. To be honest, I didn't really have time yet to make cards, so I only have a couple for you. And we're going to start off with the masculine sheets that we have here from Find It. This line is called We Are Men, and I have 3 die cut sheets here, and I made a couple of cards with Father's Day on Sunday. I thought this would be matching, even though if you order it, you wouldn't get it in time for Father's Day. But I know we make masculine cards all year long. So there is this beautiful sheet that has cars on here, and I really like the modern touch. It has like a digital display here. It has, this wonderful Jeep. So, yeah, I think there was even, this one here is even an electric car. See how it is plugged in there. So quite nice. There is another one, and this one here is the, I don't know if it has names here, but anyway, this has different office scenes here. You can see them right here. So there is embellishment here. There is a second embellishment here. And there's always a third embellishment on the bottom. And then you have all the different layers numbered. And here we even have one with a coffee cup, which I really like. And then we have the drinks and wine and, I think wine and beer and whiskey. So again, this is one embellishment. Here is the bottle of red wine, and then here at the bottom this beautiful keg and beer here. So all these are die cut, and all you have to do is push them out and you can make wonderful cards. Now for me, I am very it's hard for me to make masculine cards, and I don't enjoy it that much. If I have good materials like these, it's a little bit easier, but I know some of you make awesome masculine cards, so please give me some credit here, because I am, like I said, I'm not too great with masculine cards, but I tried to make a couple cards with this one here with the cars. So here is my first version, and you can see I just used some darker background paper from my stash. So this is a very old 12 by 12 pad, probably 10 years old, if not older, but it has some glitter on it. And I know for some of you, glitter and masculine cards don't really go together, but I need a little bit of glitter on my cards, so I did not glitter the embellishment, but at least I have a little bit in the background. I used a few more pieces from that same pad and created this card here. And again, this is the one with the electric car, and I think it came out pretty cute. Next, I have this fun fold card here. So here I have this beautiful Jeep, and then when you open it up, there were a couple of tools. Unfortunately, that was a set by Studio Light, and it has sold out, so I can no longer show that to you, but that's where these tools came from. So for those of you that bought it, that set, you can go ahead and use the tools there, or maybe you have a die that can cut out these tools. So here is my second card, and I used the background paper from the very same pad, and I added some dark blue cardstock here. And then my third card, so you can make 3 cards from one of these sheets, is right here with this convertible car. And we got sunglasses. And the only thing I did here is I used a little bit of glaze, and I hope the camera picks it up just to give it a little bit more interest. So if you have glaze, I don't use it that often, so I thought it's time to break it out. So yeah, I made these 3 cards, and I can't wait to get into card making again. But of course, the next cards will be all summer and all pretty flowers and butterflies, etc. So this is all I have for you for Father's Day. And now let's move on with what else is coming up. So I have new die cut sheets, and they're already in stock, so you can go ahead and order them now. This one here is called Coffee Moments. I love this one. I have not made any cards. Like I said, I just came back last week. Haven't had any chance yet, but it will be coming. So be patient. You will see these again with some sample cards. But I wanted to show you what's on there. Look at this gorgeous cup here with, this beautiful barista design. Here's the second one with some coffee beans on a book. And then on the third one, you can see it down here also, all with coffee beans. How cute is that? We have hot chocolate. So this looks so delicious. I can even see making cards there for later on in the year when the weather is getting a little colder again. Look how beautiful they are. So again, you always have 3 embellishments, and then you have all the layers numbered, so it should be easy to go ahead and stack them up with foam pads. And then on this particular one, we have the coffee houses here. So look at this one. Looks like a French bistro. So pretty. Same here. There is a coffee shop. And then the third one is down here also. So love these, and definitely going to make some cards with them soon. Next, I have butterflies, and these must be my favorite. They are so pretty and just perfect for summer. Look at these gorgeous butterflies. So we have 3 to a sheet. We got 4 sheets, so there are 12 different butterflies, all perfect for layering up. Here we got them with sunflowers. Look how gorgeous they are. So bright, so colorful. I just absolutely love these. This one here is called the Flutter Flare, and this is Berry's Beauties. I just can't believe how pretty they are. And I think that might be my next one I make cards with. So hopefully you see them next week or in a couple of weeks. Look at these. How pretty are they? And then here is sheet number 4 with some lilies here, roses. So wonderful. So this is the Flutter Flare. We had the Coffee Moments. Let's see. Coffee Moments, Flutter Flare. And now we got the Plant Paradise. So I also wanted to show you those. These are succulents. Never seen die cut sheets with such beautiful succulents. So also 4 sheets. Let's take a quick look. I think these make wonderful summer cards, and I love the colors. Look at those in bloom. So it's called Plant Paradise. And again, we have 12 different designs on those 4 sheets. Love, love, love the colors. And now where summer is starting, I can imagine how much fun it would be to make some pretty summer cards. And then look at here, we got a hanging basket. So, so gorgeous. So there are actually more coming, but I have these 3 plus the VR Men for you today. And now I wanted to chat just a little bit about my vacation. So when I went on vacation, I visited this small little town in Bavaria. I'm from Berlin, and I spent some time in Berlin. But then my sister and I, we traveled to Bavaria. And I went to a store, and this was like a small town, cobblestone roads, and I found this little stationery store, and I got really intrigued. Getting into the store, they had these bags, and basically it says Wundertüte, and if you want to translate that into English, it would say something like Wonder Bag, maybe surprise bag. So we had no idea what is in there. So this is how it came, and yeah, and she told us, the shop assistant told us she has no idea what's in there, but it's definitely stationery goods. So I was very intrigued and thought I need to get this. And then in the evening, I couldn't wait to open this. And I'll show you what's in here because I thought it was pretty amazing. So when I opened up this bag, there are a couple things missing. There was, for example, a seat bag in there, which I did not take home because I know that I cannot take seats from abroad here to the United States without, claiming it with the agricultural department. So I left the seats with my sister. So there was a bag of seats. There was this beautiful postcard here, which says, get well. And look how beautiful it is. Then there were several cards in there, and all packaged also in cellophane bags. So you can see there's a happy birthday card, and it's got some foiling on it. This one here is, of course, we have German sayings here because I bought this in Germany. So this is basically just a card saying, how much you would like to be at a beach or at a sunset right now. Look how beautiful that is. Then we got this gorgeous street here with those beautiful houses. I love that artwork. And there is another one, and this one here is also for a birthday, and it has more like a, I would say more like a autumn theme. There was a wonderful gift bag in there, also all with beautiful colors, first of all, but also you can see there is some of the, some foiling here. Then there was a tag. So pretty. There was also a small card saying thank you, but with an envelope. And last but not least, a beautiful bookmark. So this is what I found in this surprise bag. So there was a fifth card that I left with my sister. So 5 cards, a beautiful bag, tags, small cards, and a postcard, and then, like I said, there was also a bag with seats. So I was so intrigued, and I was thinking, I'm gonna copy this for my store. That's why I'm showing you this. So from now on, and I already got beautiful bags. From now on, when you order from my store, you will get a surprise bag. I'm not going to tell you what will be in there. It will be all closed up, and hopefully you have the same experience as I had opening this up. And for us paper crafters, anything paper, we love, and I hope what you will find in your surprise bag with your next order, you will love as much as I loved opening up this bag. So this is something to look forward to. I can't wait to create and curate these bags for you. So yeah, be surprised. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you like these new things, and believe me, there is much more coming this summer. So please stay tuned. Again, sorry, I only had 3 cards today, but that will change in the next few weeks, I'm going to get back to my craft desk, and I can't wait to make new cards. But thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.